Guys, now today I'm going to teach you made of and made from. Now of and from is the preposition, okay, and made is the past tense of action verb make, making, made. Okay guys, now there are some sentences, we'll solve it, but the process I will explain you. Now made of and made from kya? For example, this is the plastic comb. Now you can see the comb. Now this plastic comb is made of plastic, but the plastic is visible. हमें ये comb प्लास्टिक से बना है तो प्लास्टिक दिखाई दे रहा है. तो जहां विजिबल होता है सो वी पुट ऑफ, और जहां विजिबल नहीं होता वहां हम फ्रॉम डालते हैं. Now there are two examples here. See, this comb is made of plastic. Okay, the comb is made of plastic. So the plastic thing is visible in this. ये प्लास्टिक का दिखाई दे रहा है, ये वुड नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. So of is what? When the thing is visible. The original material is what? Plastic. So you can see here, this is plastic. Again, for example, this plastic stool. This is stool. Now this original material is plastic. From plastic it is made, but plastic is made from oil. Now suppose plastic is made from oil. So there it comes made from. The plastic is made from oil, but this thing product here, the plastic is visible, but when this thing is made, the plastic is made from oil, but oil is not visible here. So where the original material is not visible, there we put from, and where it is visible we put off. Okay guys, so there are a couple of sentences, we'll solve it. Okay, for example, the window is made dash. Now in anyone of your house, किसी के घर में अगर कोई विंडो है, अगर वो कांच का बना है तो कांच विजिबल होगा. तो the window is made of a glass. The door is made wood. So अगर your door, घर का door अगर मेड लकड़ी का बना है तो लकड़ी दिखाई देगा, विजिबल होगा. तो द डोर इज मेड ऑफ वुड. चीज और पनीर, चीज और पनीर इज मेड मिल्क. नो मिल्क इज द ओरिजिनल मटेरियल, बट व्हेन वी फ्रॉम द मिल्क इफ द two three product comes out, cheese, we can say paneer in Hindi, then butter, then again ghee. But when you will see the ghee, paneer, then dahi, curd or yogurt we say, ये सब चीजें, these things is come out of milk, but we will not put off from milk. So is milk visible in paneer, curd, cheese और घी? हमें इसमें कहीं दूध दिखाई नहीं देता है, तो पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया. The original material is completely changed. Where it is completely changed, we put from. So cheese, paneer, maybe ghee or curd, dahi is made from milk. Okay. The ring is made. The ring, gold or silver? Silver or gold? अगर सिल्वर से बना है तो सिल्वर दिखाई देगा, but the shape is changed. You can make as much jewelry from gold or silver. So the ring is made because you can see the ring is of silver. सिल्वर का बना गया, प्लास्टिक दिखाई देगा, या ब्रास का, या आयन का लोखंड का नहीं दिखाई देगा. So अगर वो सिल्वर या लिखा है सिल्वर तो सिल्वर का बना है ना, तो the ring is made of silver. Okay guys, paper is made of wood. Is it right? No, wrong. Paper is made. See, when you write on the paper document, it is different, but there is a visibility of पूरा ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया, चेंज हो गया. So the paper is made from wood. Okay. तो यह wine. wine is made. No, wine, you know wine is in English thing. People in India also drink. So wine is from grapes. No, अपने हमारे मुंह से निकलता है, comes from your mouth only. From grapes. Of grapes नहीं आएगा. Grapes original material is totally completely changed. Its grapes is not visible. दिखाई नहीं देता grapes. क्या दिखता है? It forms into wine liquid. Then people they drink. You know. So wine is made of नहीं आएगा because grapes or wine become liquid and grapes is like a fruit. So in wine you can't find any grapes, round balls. So it is made from grapes. The wall is made, stones लिखा है. That the wall is made from your. Because if the wall, your house, whatever, the wall is made of stone लिखा है, it's from off stone. Because stone is visible, हमें दिखाई देता है. If it's made from stone और दिखाई देता है gold का या लोखंड का या पत्थरे का, no. Tin का, no. So it is made of stone. Okay. Steel is made iron, carbon, nickel and chromium. The steel, there are steel utensils. There are steel utensils. Steel utensils are there. So steel में क्या होता है? Steel is made of iron, of carbon, nickel and chromium. No, steel is made from iron. So amalgamation, iron, chromium, nickel and carbon. 98% in the steel vessels जो बर्तन होते हैं उसमें 99% iron is there, but little 2.0% carbon is there in that. वो mix करते हैं and then they make steel का बर्तन or utensil. So it is made and chromium is there and the nickel it gives you shine like a steel. Okay, that chamak, that shine, that shining. So steel is made from this four items: iron, carbon, nickel and chromium. The plastic is made oil. You can see plastic thing in that? No. Oil में से plastic बनता है and plastic का any material you can make. So the original form in plastic you can't see oil. So plastic is made from oil. Okay. Bread is made. The bread, you eat bread, pav, what do you say, loaves. In India, in foreign they say bread. So bread is made of flour. Bread is made of flour? No. Flour means not flour. Flour means atta, that we eat or maybe rice, whatever. So bread is made. Original material is what? Flour. Atta. Atta दिखाई देता है bread में? नहीं. So when there is a transformation, change of the original material, they will put from sugar is made of sugarcane. Is it right? Is it right? Sugarcane, sugar is made of sugar. What you have it in tea, milk or sweets or whatever. The sugar is there, sweet. It gives sweet taste. So sugar is made. The sugarcane is a stick. From the juice comes out, and there's a big long process. They make sugar. That sugar crystals. Okay, guys. So sugar is. You can see any sugar crystals in sugarcane juice. Can you see? No one can see. So there's an original material you can't see. So sugar is made from sugarcane. This way. The here made up. Cake is made dash flour, sugar, butter, maybe egg. So there are three items. The three items when it gets amalgamate mixture and then it becomes cake. But could you see sugar, butter, flour? आटा दिखाई देता है केक के ऊपर? घी दिखाई देता है? कुछ नहीं दिखाई देता है. Nothing. Sweet का टेस्ट आता है, sugar दिखाई देता है? No. So cake is made from these materials. The bag is made dash leather. The bag is made dash leather. Leather मतलब चमड़ा. अगर आप बैग को देखेंगे It looks like chamda, leather लग रहा है. So you can say the bag is because the original material leather you could see, but the shape of the leather is changed to leather. You can make shoes also leather. You can make wallet. Leather wallet is there. Leather belt is there. Leather, so many things are there. The shape is changed, but the original thing leather you could feel it and you can see it. So original material is there, visible. हमें दिखाई देता है. So the bag is made of leather. Okay, so here it will come off. Now the rope मतलब बड़ा रस्सा होता है, रस्सा is made dash cotton. There are white cotton का भी रहता है, sometimes जूट का भी रहता है. जूट, you know, like from that you comes coconut का रहता है, वो सब उसमें से निकलता है ना, तो जूट का भी रहता है रस्सी. ओके, तो रोप मतलब सी थ्रेड इज छोटा धागा, थोड़ा अलग रहेगा तो सी जरा इतना मोटा रहेगा ना, उसको रोप बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में. सो द रोप इज मेड, यू कुड सी द व्हेन विजिबल इट, कॉटन दिखाई देता है, कॉटन का, व्हाइट कॉटन का रोप है, मेड ऑफ कॉटन. हियर इट विल कम फ्रॉम कॉटन. ओके, द बेंच इज मेड डैश स्टोन. द स्टोन का देखो, यू कैन सी इन द गार्डन, you can see in the garden, wherever, at the nooks, nukkad pe, sometime wherever you can see the bench or like no, like a sofa type. It is made of stone. तो stone का बना हुआ रहता है. You can visible, जब आप बैठेंगे आपको दिखेगा नहीं, प्लास्टिक का है. It's wooden. Suppose it's made of wooden, so you can write then also off you can write. You can, the wood is visible, the stone is visible. So here the bench is, bench मतलब बैठने का जो bench था, सोफा जैसा, is made of stone. Is made of stone. Here off will come. The house is made brick. Brick मतलब क्या? ईंट, रेड ईंट. अगर वो ईंट दिखाई दे रही है, ईंट that the bricks are visible. So the bench is made of, the house is made of brick. Okay. ना सोप साबन होता है ना, इवन बेदिंग सोप, बेदिंग में नहाने वाला बेदिंग सोप, देन वॉशिंग सोप, देन सोप फॉर क्लोथ्स, यू नो व्हाटएवर. सो सोप इज मेड ऑयल्स एंड फैट. अभी ऑयल क्या होता है? ऑयल है, और फैट फ्रॉम ऑयल, उसमें फैटी प्रोडक्ट मिलता है. देन देयर इज खाली ऑयल्स और फैट में से नहीं, देन कास्टिक सोडा ऑल्सो इज देयर. So there are so many materials. This is science part. So it is made of 2-3 products. Then color is there, then perfume is there. बहुत सारा आइटम रहता है. But soap में आपको दिखाई देता है किधर ऑयल? Could you see any oil or fat? Nothing. You see soap, colorful soap, maybe plain soap, maybe white soap, maybe green soap, maybe pink soap. So the soap is made of, नहीं आएगा, from oil and fat. Butter is made dash cream. The butter is, the cream is what they say in English, cream. In Hindi they say malai. When they churn the, churn मतलब हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं ना, churn. When you churn the cream, cream means malai. It comes off butter. So transport is made from malai di. Then you will not able to see malai, you will able to see butter. Curd or yogurt is made again here from milk. Mustard oil. No, mustard oil is made, you could see mustard seed. जब तेल बन जाता है मस्टर्ड ऑयल का, सीड का, वो सीड दिखाई देगा तेल में. There will be no visibility of seeds in the oil. So mustard oil is made from mustard seed. From mustard seed. Juice is made fresh orange. No, orange color you could see. अगर orange का juice है, if it's lime juice, whatever, you could see. So juice is made of fresh orange. Okay, of fresh orange. The chocolate is made cocoa bean. No, cocoa bean. Cocoa beans होता है कॉफी जैसे कलर. So chocolate is made of cocoa bean नहीं. When you have chocolate, the beans दिखाई देगा, दाने दिखाई देंगे, like कॉफी के beans होते हैं. No, there's no visibility of chocolate. Chocolate made that the beans. So chocolate is made from cocoa beans. The last sentence is that shirt or kurta is made dash cotton or silk. Now this you solve, guys, and put in the comment and solve this last sentence. Okay. So made of versus made from. So guys, please subscribe my channel.